Hello viewers, welcome to this platform. My name remains yours truly, 𝘎𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙣. Wow, we've got calls from so many of you out there telling us that we should come over to your location and do what we know how to do best. Good news for you, we are coming to your location. We are beginning a tour around Nigeria and we are starting with Abuja. Abuja folks, get ready to welcome 𝘎𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙣 International to your city. Yes, if you are a fresh and aspiring actor, singer, model, TV presenter or dancer, and you're looking for the right platform that can help you succeed in the Nigerian entertainment industry, then worry no more because 𝘎𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙣 is here for you. Drop a comment on the comment box and tell us about your city, and your city can be the next one we are coming to. See you when we come to your city.